What is going on, everybody? It's Darren here, and today we are back better than we were the last time, kinda, because I lost my AirPods and I have no idea where they are. I know they're in my house somewhere, but I can't find them. So I impulsively bought some AirPod Pros. So basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be unboxing them a little bit. I kind of already unboxed them, then I was like, maybe I should do a video. So it's going to be a fake unboxing, and then I'm going to do a quick review because I have not put them on. I have not even unwrapped the plastic on the actual AirPods themselves. So we're going to be doing that, and I'm going to do like a quick first impression review and kind of tell you why I got these AirPods, because there's a bunch of different, I could have got the Maxes, I could have got the third generation, but I'm gonna tell you why I got the Pros, and then maybe in a week or so I'll give you a long-term review of the headphones and what I feel about them. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you hit that like button down below because it really does help out the channel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing / review. Alright, so here we are with my impulsively bought AirPod Pros. I say impulsively, I looked for my other AirPods for about like 2 weeks and could not find them. I feel like that's a good enough time to go ahead and buy some more. So that's exactly what I did. And as I unbox these, I'll tell you why I bought these. There's only two main reasons, and then we can get into the real technical stuff as the video goes on. But just for clarification, my original AirPods that I lost, they were the first generation AirPods. So anything I would have bought would have been better than those, technically. I'm not going to talk too much about how different they are from the original AirPods, because the original AirPods are the originals. So there's not going to be much of that in this video. It's just going to be me unboxing them and telling you why I got them, and to kind of go into why a lot of people are liking these AirPods. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the reason I chose these AirPods, for two reasons. One, the silicone tips, and also for the unboxing, I'm just unboxing these on camera. Y'all have seen Apple unboxings before. There's no need for me to talk about the packaging. But anyway, so the reason I bought these was for two reasons and two reasons only. One was the silicone tips. The other AirPods always fell out of my ears constantly, and this, everybody has their own ear shape and whatnot. So I could not stand how often those AirPods would fall out of my ears. And then here's the actual AirPods themselves. I like the actual horizontal shape right here instead of the other shape, but I feel like they're about the same size. Yeah, even though these are horizontal and the others are vertical. But anyway, yeah, the other AirPods always fall out my ears, and I could not stand it. I couldn't work out with them, and I couldn't do much with them because they would always fall out. And then the second reason I got these AirPods was because of the noise canceling. So if you haven't seen my video, one of my best videos, so once again, thank you so much for watching that video. And if you don't know what video I'm talking about, it is my Beat Solo Pro video. That video is doing amazing for me on this channel, so once again, thank you. But anyway, in that video, as I tested those headphones, I learned to love noise cancellation. And so, of course, these are the AirPods with noise cancel. Oh, okay, so hold on. They come with these, like extra ear tips. So it's like small, medium. I feel like no one brings this up about how they have multiple, small and large. So then medium must be on there. I don't know if you can see that, but it says small right here, and it says S right here, and then it says L right here, and it's also upside down for you, or maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, I really enjoy noise cancellation. I feel like that works best for me. I can, I work better that way. I think better that way. It's just a better way for me. So, with that being said, of course, I had to get the AirPods with noise cancellation. Let's go ahead and get into the AirPods. A fresh, clean set of AirPods. AirPods get dirty so fast. I got tired of cleaning mine just because they get so dirty. Is that me talking about my ear? It could be. But AirPods get dirty so fast, and like I constantly try to keep them clean, but geez. So it's nice to have a fresh start, and me being more mature. So let's go ahead and open these up. But yeah, I love noise cancellation. I think noise cancellation is great. Like I said, it helps me. Okay, the magnets in these, a lot stronger. I know that might be irrelevant to you, to some of you, but the magnet in here is pretty strong. Anyway, but and yeah, I like the smaller stem too. And see, this right here is where you're supposed to actually control the AirPods. So instead of that double tap mess that you were supposed to do in the other ones, which I hated. Let's go ahead and get my phone. But yeah, that double tap mess. Hopefully this will actually work instead of the double tap, because I hated the double tap. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is the noise cancellation. I think that's going to be great. I'm excited to use these, so let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so I am back, and let's go ahead and connect these. So as you see, here's all my Bluetooth stuff, and let's go ahead and pop these open. And there we go. Let's go ahead and set up these AirPods. Let's go to connect, and it is connecting. And I guess it's still connected, and there we go. And it's talking about the media control. It's talking about how you can press. I just talked about that, and I'm excited for that. Like I said, that double tap mess did never work for me ever. So it's nice to see that the hold and press and all that is going to be a lot easier to use. Hopefully that's the case. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put these in and listen to some music, and we're gonna go from there. This is gonna be a short review. Like, I'm not going to go in depth yet. I want to keep these for about a week and use them constantly for about a week, and then go from there. And then, like, in that video, I'll probably go deeper into all the features, because it'll be a full-on review. So this is kind of just like an impression video, you know. So let's go ahead and put these in my ear. All right, I know this is a little different view, but I'm just, you know, showing you something so I can put on these AirPods, and then we can go ahead and go from there. So let's do it. So let's see. This is left. Okay. I like these better. I already like these better. I already love these so much more. Update the noise cancellation kicked in, so if I'm yelling, I'm sorry, but you know, that's how these things work. Alright, so to turn off the noise cancellation, it says just to press and hold, so that's what we're going to try and see if that works. And there it goes. Okay, so now it's in transparency mode. It does sound like, hearing myself talk, it does sound kind of weird. But hey, it is what it is. Let's play some music. I normally listen to podcasts, but we're gonna go. Let's try some music first. Let's see how this sounds. I like it. I like how they sound. They're good sounding in transparency mode. Sometimes the noise cancellation can also affect how the headphones actually sound, so I'm gonna switch it to noise cancellation, and we're gonna see how they sound. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so yeah, I think they kind of sound the same with noise cancellation and with transparency mode on. I feel like it's about the same. So for sound test, sounds pretty quality to me. These can be charged with a MagSafe charger, so that's cool as one of the features. And another important feature that I think that really matters is, of all the AirPods, if I'm not mistaken, I think these have the shortest amount of battery life, and that is because of the two different modes, you know, going from transparency to noise cancellation. That is something to look for, is that battery life is very important to me. And yes, I know I just said that, and then I told you that I chose to go with these headphones, but like I said, it doesn't beat that noise cancellation. I can put them back into the charger if I need to. I have Beats, you know, for the times I am, you know, on planes or whatever. And then that's really, any other time I use these at like work. But you know, like, I can use it for the first part of work, charge them during lunch. They should be fully charged. Use them for the tail end of work, and then, you know, they'll probably be good from there. So I actually like these, and I think that these might be might be a good purchase. This has been an interesting unboxing. I was trying to filming in different ways that I normally don't film. So excuse me for all if it's rough. I know, but you know, I'm trying to add things to my videos, trying to try different things. So if this was rough, I'm sorry. Let me know in the comment section what I can do better. Especially, I know, like, when I was trying to show like me unboxing, I know that's probably awkward, because I couldn't quite get it right, especially on my desk. I don't have just like a blank desk where I could just work with products on, and I wish I did. If you are new, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video if you did indeed like the video. It really helps out the channel. And comment anything down below. Like I said, I know I tried different things with filming in this video, so please let me know how that went. Let me know things I can improve. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. All right, peace.